Hello day traders, today is the 14th of May, Tuesday. I'm online again with a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. We have several trading ideas that are being worked out at present. However, let us first focus on the macroeconomic events. Germany issued its inflation data, but it failed to affect the market. However, the US PPI data and Jerome Powell's speech are of greater importance. Nevertheless, the publication of US inflation data is the most important event of this week. On the trading chart, we see that gold is gaining in value. Those who bought the asset yesterday are now benefiting from this situation. If US inflation turns out to be in red, gold will surge, thus forming the fifth wave. Curiously, some analysts suppose that gold is forming the third wave at the moment. Notably, the asset has room to rise. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair showed a decline and then rose. The euro dropped to the swing low recorded yesterday. Those who bought at that point earned enough. However, today's PPI figures and Powell's comments, as well as the US inflation report, may change the current state of affairs. I gave a trading idea on the pound-dollar pair not so long ago. It was quite big. I suppose that the pound sterling could break the highs recorded last week and the week before last. The situation with the Australian dollar is almost the same. At least 1 week report from the United States may allow the Australian dollar to surge. The target is located at 0.69. The greenback's depreciation may cause a reverse in the dollar-yen pair. It's highly possible that the Bank of Japan is waiting for US inflation data. If the data is in a red, the BOJ may take measures to affect the market situation. Silver is likely to break the level of 30 USD to end and the formation of a three-wave structure. That's all I wanted to tell you today. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.